Hello everyone, welcome to my channel segment Ask Me and I'll try to answer. Our topic today is how to put tags on your YouTube video. Here are the steps on how to put tags. Number 1, go to your channel. Number 2, press manage videos. Number 3, on YouTube Studio, under the dashboard, select content. Number 4, select the video you want to put tags. Number 5, scroll down and click show more. You will find the tag box in that place. Number 6, put and click the arrow on tag box and start typing tags. Note, just type words on the tag box that is related to your video. Number 7, press enter in every tags. And number 8, the last one, save it. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe and click the bell notification. See you next video.